Good day guys, welcome to another video. I'm home in the yard. That's the famous Julie mango tree. Today I'm going to just take you guys on a little trip to do some legal stuff. I have to make my car, as they say in Jamaica, road legal. There are three things you need: fitness, road license, insurance. I have my insurance for the year, but the other two things I need to get it taken care of soon because they're about to expire. So the first thing is I need to get the fitness done, which is you have to go and get your car inspected, but I have to get the car cleaned first because they look at the engine number and whatnot, and I want to have a good impression. So I called someone who has a mobile car washing service, and they're coming over now to wash the car so I could go and get fitness. Great, so the car got washed. I'm going to head down to the depot now in Flankers and get the fitness. This is the depot here. So let's go drive in. See the cars up on the ramp, they're getting inspected and whatnot. Alright, so there's the car up on top of the ramp waiting for inspection. So I just came back earlier from doing the fitness, which is basically the car pass, which is basically an inspection. There is a facilities, I'm in Montego Bay, there's a facilities in Flankers. Go up on the ramp, they check underneath, they check all your lights, you open up the bonnet, they check the number of the chassis, they verify all the engine information and make sure that the car is legal. They check your mileage, they tell you rock your steering wheel when you're up on the ramp to see the parts. So it's like a little inspection you're getting. They test all the brakes, where the examiner takes it and he drives it very hard and slams on the brake. Thankfully everything is working good in my car. You have to pay for that service though. You go online and you call it the examination fee. You could pay it online, or you could go into the tax office and pay it. You get a receipt and you go with that receipt to show them. And this is the license here. You see in those stickers this year, but you can see the expiry date is March, and this is last year. I'm going to remove these two and put on a new one. To get your road license, that's like a tax you pay to use the road license. It's different from your driver's permit. That's a whole different thing. So to have your road license, you just go and you pay. Once you have your insurance and your fitness, you could just go into the tax office and pay, and you get your road license, which is that. I got it already and I'm going to put it on. Let's do it. Just hold it and pull it out. And as you can see, it leaves a kind of residue, anti-counterfeiting element that once you put it on a vehicle, you can't remove it. Let me show you from the outside how this looks. I removed the license, but I don't know if you could tell. It says void. I voided those licenses, but thankfully they were all expired. But I have to remove this gunk. And after years of doing this, I discovered one simple way of doing it. You take some soapy water, it could be detergent or anything like that, and you soap it up. You don't try to scrub it out because it's too difficult. But once it's soapy, take some form of razor blade and you scrape it. And the soap makes it kind of slippery. See, it comes out pretty easy once you soap it up and scrape it out. Easy peasy. There it is, nice and clean. I wiped it out. Time to put on the actual sticker. Let me get it. Here it is. Here is the sticker. The color now is green. Every year the color changes, where it's very different from the year before, but then after some time it recycles. So it's green this year. I just have to take it and stick it on. This cost me for the entire year 12 grand, around 12 grand, $600. That's shy of 100 US. All right, for license for the entire year. Let's stick it on. That's nothing there. Ah, damn it. Alright. As you can see it. I'm just going to stick it right here. Try to get the edge to match up. And that's it. There it is. Alright, and I have until May next year. As you can see, when when police sees me at the side of the road, they could look at that and know that, license-wise, I am okay. This is the license. So when you do your license, you get this. And then this is the fitness. So again, when police pulls you over and they ask for your documents, they want to see your fitness, they want to see your license, and they want to see your insurance. So as you can see now, I am fully road legal. I have everything I need. I don't have to worry about roadblocks or anything like that. I'm good to go. I know this was a very short video, but I just thought it interesting. This is something I do every year. I said, hey, why not? Why not let you guys come along and maybe you learn something about Jamaica. Alright? Thanks for watching as always, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe. Bye.